What is the most selfish one-lettered word? Wow, what a audience that is to tell me. The most selfish one-lettered word. I, isn't it? Everything revolves around I. Everything revolves around the I. And what does I stand for? I stands for expectations. Apekshaएं, मेरी अपेक्षाएं, my expectations. I should be treated like this. I should be loved like this. I should be dealt with like this. I should be respected like this. All expectation. अपेक्षाओं की जिंदगी जी रहे हैं हम लोग सब. We're all living a life of super high expectations. Not just high. We're all leading a life of super high expectations. God, constantly life is only everything revolves around my opinions, my desires, my likes, my dislikes. I like this, I don't like this, I hate this, I love this, I want this, I don't want this. I. खुश रहेंगे? You think life will be a very happy life when it revolves around I? From our childhood we have grown up like this. We've only learned to take, and everyone has to fulfill my expectations. Everything has to be up to my expectations. When I was a child, I usually wouldn't even eat if my mom did not cook what I asked for. You know, everything has to revolve around my expectations. One boy comes to a mother and says, Mama, I love you. 5-year-old, 5 साल का बच्चा. Mama, I love you. Mother said, I love you too, beta. The guy grew up to be 16. Goes to the mother, Mama, I love you. कितना पैसा चाहिए बोल? He grows up to be 25. Mama, I love you. कौन है, किधर रहती है, बता दे, हम अरेंज कर देंगे, बता दे. He turns to be 40. Mama, I love you. बोला था ना शादी मत कर उससे. He turns 60. Mama, I love you. मैं किसी भी पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूंगी, तू जा. माँ है ना, जानती है. Mother knows. Everything is for me only. 16 years old, my money. 25-year-olds, my girl. 40 years old, my wife. 60 years old, my property. Life ही ऐसा जिया है. हमेशा अपनी इच्छाएं, अपनी अपेक्षाएं, अपने ओपिनियंस को पकड़ के बैठे हैं हम लोग. And you think religion is spared? If youngsters are not spared, girlfriends and boyfriends are not spared, married people are not spared, you think religious men and religious people coming to a temple are spared from the eye? I don't think so. Therefore, when people come to God, people come to a temple also, they're only asking, give me what I want. No one comes to say, I love you, I want to give you. When the President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, came up to his stage for his first presidential speech, his voice rumbled into the public address system when he said, ask not what the country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country. And so we are saying, ask not what God can do for you. Ask what you can do for God. But no one asks that. Because the I is so big, my expectations, my desires, my things are so powerful that even when I come to a temple and ring a bell, all I'm doing is asking. The more we lead a life of I, our I will always be frustrated. Because people don't exist in this world to just fulfill your expectations. What do you think? People are all existing in the world just to fulfill your expectations? That's what you think? Sorry to say. Wait for a while, you will learn that they don't. Friends don't. Family doesn't. सब अपनी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण करने के लिए थोड़ी जन्म लिए हैं. Do not ever give the control of how you feel to someone else. Do not allow anyone to remote control you. Control your television's remote controlled. No problem. Your cars can be remote controlled. Don't allow anyone to control your emotions from there. हम लोग अपेक्षाएं करते हैं कि एक प्रकार का व्यवहार हमारे साथ होगा, ऐसे नहीं होता ना, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं हम. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the most selfish one-lettered word is I, which stands for expectations, and therefore avoid this word. How do you avoid this word? Be realistic in your expectations. अपेक्षाएं करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but understand that not everyone will fulfill your expectation. याद रखिए कि सब लोग आपकी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण नहीं करेंगे. And secondly, avoid this word I by trying to serve others. You know why? Because when you want to be served, you're dependent on people. They may not serve you. When you want to serve, who can stop you? When you want respect, people may not respect you. But when you want to give respect, who can stop you? When you want to be loved, you may not be loved. But when you want to give love, who can stop you? And therefore, learn to begin your journey from I to you. The more you want for yourself, you'll remain frustrated. The more you want to give, you will remain happy.